the guardian of the last gate. Long ago, the world was peaceful. Cities thrived, people laughed, and the sun shone bright. But nothing lasts forever. From the depths of the earth, a great darkness rose. Shadows swallowed the light, and creatures of chaos spread across the land. There was one hope, the last gate, an ancient portal, hidden in the mountains, sealed with magic stronger than steel. It was the barrier between the darkness and the last human city. Kale stood before it. He was tall, his armor dented from battles long forgotten. His eyes burned like fire, and his voice was deep, steady. I am Kale the Guardian. No one will pass. For years, Kale protected the gate. Alone, the creatures came in waves, sharp claws, glowing eyes, terrible roars. But Kale never fell. Each swing of his sword sent them back. Each step he took held the weight of 1,000 promises. The gate will stay closed. The people will stay safe. One night, the wind howled like a wolf. The ground shook and the air turned cold. A shadow larger than any Kale had seen approached. It was the leader of the darkness, a beast with wings like thunderclouds and teeth sharp as swords. Kale gripped his blade. You will not pass? The beast laughed, its voice deep and cruel. You are only one man. You cannot stop me. Kale stepped forward, his voice calm but firm. I am one man, but I am enough. And with that, the battle began.